Hey guys, Evolve Co-op here to show you how I made my first bird bath. I went and saw all of these amazing bird baths, but they were crazy expensive, and I thought I can do that. So first I watched a video. So thank you, Mark McCullough, for showing Kevin O'Connor of This Old House how to do one out of stone. So I went and found the perfect stones, I thought, brought them home and used the same techniques, a grinder and a hammer and a chisel. The whole thing took about 8 hours over the course of several days. But it was a labor of love, and I love it so much. I clean it out every day because I don't want anybody getting sick. And I also put little stones in there so our smallest critters can climb right out without drowning. All right, thanks so much. See you next time.